Welcome to Inspired Dreams. This your girl Taja and I'm back with a quick video. In today's video is Self-Care Shadow Work Saturday. I hope you can sit down and do a 5-minute journal prompt. What you'll need: pen or a pencil, your shadow journal or notebook, yourself, your mind. You will be given one shadow work journal question with 5 minutes to complete. If you need to pause this video to complete, you may do so at any time. Let's begin. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed this 5-minute journal prompt. Our next prompt question will be posted on 4/16/22. I hope to see you there. Don't forget to order your shadow work prompt journal. It's available now on Amazon. The link will be in the description box below. P.S. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, leave a comment, and turn on those post notifications to see more videos.